Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the 5 tallest buildings in Jamaica. Now these are buildings that have started and we're going to go through the list. There are a few projects that are in the works, but they haven't actually started construction yet. So we're not going to include those buildings in the list. For example, the Ascent, a 26-story building to be built in New Kingston, Jamaica. They got approval, however, for a few years now, the project has not started. Okay, so today we are out in Montego Bay. This is Lilliput in Montego Bay, and what you're looking at is the construction of the tallest building in Jamaica, which is the Half Moon Hotel, and that's going to be 30 floors. As you can see, they have started. And right beside this building, to the right, is where they're going to be building the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. And the Hard Rock is actually going to have the third tallest building, Hard Rock is going to be the third tallest building in Jamaica at 22 floors. So the Half Moon Hotel right here is 30 floors. That's the construction we're looking at. And to the right of it, they are going to build a Hard Rock Hotel at 22 floors. Now, the second tallest building in Jamaica is going to be the Pinnacle at 28 floors. And they have currently reached 14 floors on the construction of that project. Now the Pinnacle is going to have 4 towers at 28 floors each. And that's also in Montego Bay. That's in Reading in Montego Bay. And the tallest building, which is going to be the Half Moon Hotel, is in Montego Bay. The second tallest set of buildings is going to be the Pinnacle in Montego Bay. The Hard Rock Hotel, going to be the Pinnacle. Hard Rock Hotel is in Montego Bay, 22 floors. So, as you can see, Montego Bay has surpassed Kingston and every other part of Jamaica in that they will have the tallest buildings in Jamaica. And 3 of those buildings will be hotels. The Pinnacle, 1 building will be a hotel and the other 3 will be residential units. Now, the 4th tallest building in Jamaica is the Rogers, which is located in Kingston. That is 20 floors and it's going to be a residential development. And the 5th tallest building in Jamaica is the Pegasus, which is 17 floors, and that is also located in New Kingston. The Pegasus is a hotel. Now, I just want to point something out to you guys. The Pegasus was built in the 1970s at 17 floors. And that building stood as the tallest building in Jamaica at 17 floors until 2024, when the Rogers surpassed it at 20 floors. That's almost 50 years. The tallest building in Jamaica remained the Pegasus at 17 floors. And since 2024, we've had 4 buildings surpass 17 floors. 4 buildings. But if you include the Pinnacles, and they're actually building 2 structures now, you would have 5 buildings surpassing 20 floors since 2024. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.